Want to save up to 50% on your online purchase? Rakuten combines extra discount codes with generous cashback offers. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and search Rakuten deals, then head over to the first website over here. Now on this website, you want to click into your favorite store. Now you want to look for stores offering both coupon discounts up to 50% off and cashback usually 3 to 12% like seasonal sales at retail brands or flash promotions. Now shop as normal on the retailer's site. At checkout, enter the coupon code you saw on Rakuten. Cashback is earned on the subtotal after discount. For easy tracking, you can use the browser extension. Install Rakuten's extension or the app so your session is tracked automatically. This ensures cashback is recorded even if you forget to navigate from Rakuten directly. You also want to participate in Rakuten Plus bonuses. If you spend $250 at qualifying stores within 90 days, you can earn an extra $50 bonus on the top of your cashback. Once your order is verified, cashback shows up as pending, then as confirmed, and Rakuten sends payouts every 3 months. And that's it. With these steps, you can easily get up to 50% off using Rakuten deals, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.